Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Webonsky. Today we will see why unit gallery images are zoomed by default. So if you are also facing this problem of, the default zoom in feature problem in when you are using unit gallery, you can use these options to solve this problem. And what are these? You can just use this slider zoom max ratio to slider scale mode fit and slider zoom step 1.2. So these are the options that you can modify in the options of unit gallery. When you are calling that jQuery function, it will solve this problem by default zoom in feature problem. And if you are willing to use unit gallery in your WordPress website, you can use this plugin to use unit gallery. You have demos to see how it will look like, and how you can use that. Just follow this document and instructions given in this plugin and you will get this slider integrated in your website. So it will look like this. Let us see how it will look like. So we have an example here. As you can see, we have unit gallery slider, and when you click on it, it will slide like this. And as you can see, we have images along with the videos as well in the slider. So when you want to have a feature to keep videos and images together in a one slider, you can use you can think of using unit gallery. And whenever you want to display current image, just click on it, it will reflect in the slider. So this is the behavior of unit gallery and how it will look like. And let me show you the code, just how you can use it when you are coding. So as you can see, we have a div, and inside the div we have many images. All the elements of the slider you can keep like this. So we have given a gallery ID, then image 1 with these features, image 2, 3, and in the 3, as you can see, this is the video, and here we have passed the video ID. So this is the YouTube video ID. You can use the Vimeo video as well. So these are the different type of elements we can keep together in one slider. So this is very useful when combining different kind of videos, images, elements in one slider. You can think of using this unit gallery. So this is the HTML part. We have div and all the elements inside the div, and this is the gallery ID of the div. Then this is the CSS that we are applying on the div, and this is how you can call the unit gallery. So we are passing the ID of the div and then this function, and inside this function you can pass different options to modify the behavior of the unit gallery. And so these are the options that you can pass inside that in this method, and to change the behavior of the unit gallery. So this is what I wanted to show you in my today's video. If you find this video, please like and subscribe.